Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and sourcing enthusiasts. Ever find yourself stuck between choosing a trading company or going straight to the factory in China? Well, you're not alone. This decision can make or break your sourcing strategy. So, let's dive into the world of Chinese manufacturing and unravel this mystery together. First things first, what's the difference between a trading company and a factory? Simply put, factories are where the magic happens. They're the actual producers of goods. Trading companies, on the other hand, are like the middlemen of the sourcing world. They connect buyers like you with factories that can make your products. Now, why would you choose one over the other? Let's start with trading companies. These guys are often the go-to choice for beginners in the sourcing game. Why? Well, they offer a few perks that can make your life easier. For starters, trading companies usually have a wider variety of products on offer. It's like a one-stop shop for all your sourcing needs. Need phone cases, fidget spinners, and eco-friendly water bottles all at once? A trading company might be able to hook you up with all of these from different factories. Another big plus? Lower minimum order quantities, or MOQs. This means you can order smaller quantities of products, which is great if you're just testing the waters or have limited capital. Trading companies also tend to be more Western-friendly. They often have staff who speak English and understand Western business practices. This can make communication a whole lot smoother, especially if you're new to dealing with Chinese suppliers. But hold on. It's not all sunshine and rainbows with trading companies. They usually come with a higher price tag. After all, they need to make money too, so they'll add their markup to the factory price. Also, when you work with a trading company, you're not in direct contact with the factory. This can sometimes lead to miscommunication or delays in getting information about your products. Now let's talk about factories. Going straight to the source can have some serious advantages. First off, you're likely to get better prices. There's no middleman taking a cut, so you can often negotiate lower prices, especially for larger orders. Working directly with factories also gives you more control over your products. You can discuss customizations, quality control, and production processes in detail. This level of involvement can be crucial if you're particular about your product specifications. Factories also tend to have more in-depth knowledge about their specific products. If you need technical details or want to understand the manufacturing process, the factory is your best bet. But factories come with their own set of challenges. Many Chinese factories specialize in specific types of products, so if you need a variety of items, you might end up dealing with multiple factories. This can be time-consuming and complex to manage. Factories also often have higher MOQs. They're set up for mass production, so they might not be interested in small orders. This can be a problem if you're just starting out or want to test a product before committing to a large order. Language barriers can also be more of an issue when dealing directly with factories. Not all factories have English-speaking staff, which can make communication tricky. Now let's talk about the different tiers of factories in China. Understanding these can help you make a more informed decision. Tier 1 factories are the cream of the crop. These are large-scale operations, often working with big international brands. They have top-notch facilities, strict quality control, and usually higher prices. Tier 2 factories are mid-sized operations. They offer a good balance of quality and price, and are often more flexible than Tier 1 factories. Tier 3 factories are smaller operations. They might offer the lowest prices, but quality can be inconsistent, and they might struggle with large or complex orders. So, how do you choose between a trading company and a factory? It really depends on your specific needs and situation. If you're just starting out, need a variety of products, or want an easier communication process, a trading company might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're looking for the best prices, want more control over your product, and are comfortable navigating potential language barriers, going straight to a factory could be the way to go. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. You might even find that using a mix of both works best for your business. The key is to do your research, understand your needs, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Whether you choose a trading company or a factory, always make sure to verify their credentials and ask for samples before placing a large order. Building a good relationship with your supplier, whether it's a trading company or a factory, can lead to better prices, quality, and service in the long run. So, what's your experience with sourcing from China? Have you worked with trading companies or factories before? Visit our website yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to hear about your experiences and challenges. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sourcing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing!